Hi guys, make sure you check out Motherwell, and it's got good spinners and homework says, and they're only £1 a spinner, so I picked up 4 to show my fans. So I have picked one that I've sold. I've got this one here, the army one. I'll get it out for you to show you. So if you ever don't open the box, you have to need to use scissors or 2. So got that one. That spins good. And I might open this one for my fans to see. Two bits come off that one. So that one's pound, and last one. Fire! Now that you see a bit close when I cut it open. I'm not meaning the spinner. If you want to see what's inside the spinner, check out the people on YouTube what's inside. They'll cut it open for you. But I'm not that kind of person that cuts open things like that. If I do any spinners tomorrow, because I'm doing something special tomorrow, I might pick up some spinners if there's any good ones. And I'll make a video for all my subscribers. So this one's £1 as well. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Peace out. Dad boys.